Good morning, students, and today is the day that we've been planning for, SEA 2020. Remember, we've been planning for this for the longest while, and planning removes anxiety, so you guys should be stress-free. But before the exam, I just wanted to give you guys a refresher of the tips that we did in last Sunday class. You know, that super long class that was did not want to finish. Yes, that class. Alright, so the first thing is frame. What do I mean by frame? Remember, the frame of mind that you go into the exam, that is what will assist or not assist you. So I want you guys to pretend that this is just another mock exam. If you pretend that this is just another mock exam, all the pressure will be immediately lifted. Remember, if you feel a little bit anxious, that is normal, that is okay. That is just being part of human being. But I want you guys to get rid of that. So just pretend you guys did like a million practice tests. So just pretend this is practice test number 25, 26, whatever practice test you are on, that is the practice test I want you guys to pretend this is. Second, wording. Wording. Read the questions carefully. Remember what I told you guys. In a lot of the questions you guys know the answer. 100%. Every single one of you guys who are with us, you guys know the answers. But it is how they construct the question. You have to read the question, reread that question, and ensure you put exactly what they want. Don't forget units. If it is centimeters, if it is area, centimeters squared, if it is volume, cubed, please put those units. Make sure, right? Remember, tackle the easy questions first. It will help build your confidence. And when it builds your confidence, then progress to the more difficult ones, right? Third, time management. Remember, this is a time exam, and they're gonna be like, stop, and you guys gonna be like, what? No, don't be like that person who says what. I want you guys to make sure and pace yourself. Do the easy questions, get the marks. We just want marks. Get all of the marks. And any questions that giving you trouble, leave it for the end. But put a big asterisk so you're not gonna forget it, because you do not want to leave the exam room and your mom carry your KFC or Häagen-Dazs and you're like, wait, did I go back to that question? No. Big asterisks. What else? Oh, the techniques that I taught you guys, deep breathing techniques. So in case you're anxious, in case you're nervous, breathe in for 5. Like, exhale for 5. And repeat over and over. You guys know that one. Remember the perfume technique, the trick that I taught you guys. Use it. The chewing gum technique, use it as well. Every tip, every technique that I taught you guys to win, I want you guys to do it. What else? Oh, clear your mind of all sorts of distractions. If you have traffic, don't worry about that. Let the adults handle that. If you're thinking about corona, don't worry about that. Let the adults take care of that. But make sure hand sanitize and keep social distancing. But guys, that's what I want to tell you guys. So I want to wish you guys all the luck. You guys have all the preparation. So just go into like that zen state, that flow state, and mash up this exam. Anyhow, peace out.
Yo, this is Devon X Scott, and I just want to wish all the students of Elite Educators all the best on the SEA exam. I know they have an amazing teacher in Mr. Ramlan. So all is safe, all is good to go. They can mash up the place. I hope all they do great.